everyone. I'm Jude, and it's Mommy.
And what are we going to prepare today, Jude? Chickpea
Chickpea sticks.
Yes. And what do we need for that?
Chickpeas,
Mm-hmm.
cheese, carrot, yogurt, spices,
Spinach,
and what's that?
red pepper,
Red pepper, this
carrot juice,
this one.
olive oil,
Olive oil, chia cheese.
chia seeds, and breadcrumbs.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's what we need. We have legumes, we have vegetables, we have dairy.
I see
and
this one.
yeah, first thing that we will do, we will need a half cup of grated carrots. And when you grate the carrots, just a second. No, we want to tell them something. When you grate the carrots and put them, measure them, squeeze them well, then you will have the carrot juice out of them. They will not be that much, so put them in a 1/3 cup and then fill it with water. So this is the carrot juice of these ones squeezed, and then we added water to it. The first thing we are going to do is add to the juice our chia seeds. Okay, here you go. Let's add 2 tablespoons. We want them to gel, and that's what's going the binding agent in our recipe. One more.
And to mix it.
2.
Two.
Okay,
Mix it.
little bit.
Okay.
Okay, slowly. We put this on the side. Okay. So we have also here half a pepper, Jude, with
Cut it.
yeah. For this recipe, we are going to use the processor. So as you can see, we shredded the carrots. We cut the peppers into small pieces. You can put the spinach as they are, and then we were just gonna process them all. And we need the oven also. Preheat your oven on 365 degrees. Oh, catch and cut. Let's go from the side. I will catch it for you.
Ah.
That's a not sharp knife.
Oopsie.
Okay, try this way.
This way?
Mm-hmm. Good job. So red peppers are loaded with vitamin C, and it's good for energy, and it's an immunity booster. Okay.
Ah.
Okay, let's cut that one. So this is the part where they will be enjoying it. So you can give them the peppers. Meanwhile, you will be washing your spinach, grating the carrots. So you involve them with you, and you have to be really patient. Make sure that the day that you want your kids to join you in the kitchen, that it's a day that you are not stressed out, or you don't have enough time. And make sure that the day that you want them to join you, that you are really relaxed, you don't have any other things to do, so that you can put your time in it, and it's gonna be really smooth and fun together.
Did I cut it more?
No, that's fine. Okay, here we have the peppers ready. Okay. So we will put everything inside. Let's start with the chickpeas. We have here 1 can of washed and drained chickpeas. Okay.
And this one?
Peppers.
This one?
Let's put the pepper.
Yeah.
That's half a cup of red pepper. Okay. Let's put the carrots. This is half a cup of shredded carrots. Ooh. Let's add the spinach. That's just a handful of spinach. Don't put your hand inside the processor.
No?
Careful, no, because there's a blade and it's sharp. Okay? And let's add 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt.
Emily.
You want this?
Yeah.
Okay.
My hand.
Okay. Let's add the cheese.
Yeah. Cheese.
Okay, let's use this. Let's use the spatula.
This one.
Yes, we have here 1 teaspoon of paprika and 1 teaspoon of other herbs. I used the Italian herbs. Yes. And we will add 1 tablespoon of olive oil.
I will put it.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Careful. That's it. Oh. Okay. Only 1. So we will fill this one and that's it.
On.
That's it.
I will close it.
Sure. Let's process it. So we will process this until they are smooth, and then we will add the chia seed mixture. Yes, here we go. Everything is blended together, and let's see. Wait, let's mix it.
Now put it.
Here we have the chia seeds
Now put it.
where they really chilled out. Yes. Let's put them all in. Okay. And they took all the benefit of the carrots because of the juice.
And this one.
Yeah, they're inside now.
I see it.
You can see them? Okay. Let's process again. Here we go. We don't want them extra fine. Let me take this.
And put them inside.
Yes, let's put them in the bowl so that we can take them out and make them as sticks. This recipe, the sticks will be soft. They are not crunchy inside out, but we are going to dip them in the breadcrumbs. You can use the panko crumbs for crunchier taste, so they will be crunchy from the outside and soft from the inside. So we will take 1 tablespoon, 3/4 a tablespoon, and we will make them as sticks. You want to try? No? Are you sure? Okay. So here we go. Just shape them as sticks. You can shape them as circles. That's back to you. And if you want to give this recipe to babies starting solid food, you can just try to reduce the cheese or omit the cheese because of the sodium in it. So here we go. I am going to put this in breadcrumbs. So it's gonna be crunchy. We love the crunchy taste. So here we go. Put these on a line baking sheet in the oven.
Taste it?
No, we can't taste it. We have to bake it in the oven for 365 degrees for around 30 minutes, depending on your oven.
Mommy.
You want?
Yeah.
Okay.
I do it. I do it.
We want to make it stick like that one. If you want, you can make it as a circle. And you can see the stick is kind of like a rectangle. Is it like a rectangle or you're making it a square? Are you trying to make a square?
No.
What did you make? What shape did you make? See, just.
Oh, I tried it already. Oh, I want to put it in it. I want to put it in it.
You want to dip it
Yeah.
in breadcrumb mixture?
Yeah.
Okay. Like this? Is it like a nugget?
Yeah.
Okay, Jude is making a chickpea nugget. Okay, that's enough. See? You got your nugget here. Put it in the oven, and then after we bake them, we can eat them. Yeah. So basically, that's it. Here we go. We washed our hands, and that's the chickpea sticks. As you can see, they are crunchy from the outside, and they will be soft from the inside. Jude, do you want to try? Is it crunchy? Is it hard from outside? Okay, you can serve this beside some Greek yogurt, or you can add some garlic and herbs to it, and they can dip it and eat. Can you hear the crunch? Is it crunchy from outside and soft from inside? Mmm, yum yum. I hate to interrupt him just to say goodbye. He's really enjoying them. And I hope your kids will enjoy them. If you prepared these, tell us in the comments how did they turn out and if your little ones like them.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.